And we're going to bring you another report from Kurt Nimmo, the website anotherdayintheempire.com. No, Donald Trump will not drain the swamp. It was on its face a preposterous claim Donald Trump will drain the swamp in Washington, D.C. It made headlines, and it boosted support for the billionaire. It became a rallying point for millions of Americans. Well, the problem is he didn't really mean it, at least not according to advisor Newt Gingrich. It was mostly an election ploy. President-elect Donald Trump campaigned on a promise to drain the swamp in D.C. But now that he's preparing to move into the White House, Newt Gingrich said that the Manhattan real estate mogul is looking to distance himself from that message. Gingrich told the following to Politico, quote, "I'm told he now just disclaims that. He now says it was cute, but he doesn't want to use it anymore," end quote, the former House Speaker and close Trump advisor said of the drain the swamp message in a NPR interview that was published on Wednesday. Trump's cabinet and other high-level appointments seem to have deviated somewhat from his, quote, drain the swamp message. After attacking Hillary Clinton on a regular basis throughout the campaign, we all saw that, for being too close to Wall Street banks, Trump himself has put former Goldman Sachs executives in prominent White House positions, including Stephen Munich, and I want to thank someone that commented recently to remind me of him, as Treasury Secretary, Steve Bannon as Chief White House Strategist, and Gary Cohn as the Director of the National Economic Council. Going back to the commentary by Kurt Nimmo, during the election campaign, I pointed all of this out and received a scorching response on social media. Give him a chance, I was told. Whose side are you on? It was obvious from the start that Donald Trump was not being straight with us. He made promises tailored to gain the vote of Americans fed up with the establishment, the corrupt political state of the nation, and his looting and offshoring of jobs by bankers and transnational corporations. He criticized Ted Cruz and Hillary Clinton for their Goldman Sachs money and connections. Millions of Americans are tired of endless wars. Trump played into this by coming off as, quote, isolationist, establishment speak for a non-interventionist. It was all show business. John Swartz hit the spot when he wrote on December 9th, quote, Trump makes America Goldman again. Business at the White House will go on as before, albeit with a few Trumpian bits of eccentric behaviors, eccentric actions. It really is remarkable the way America was played again. Last paragraph here in Kurt Nimmo's report and editorial. Now we have an even more severe political divide between two artificially maintained parties, both controlled by the corporatists. Demonstrations and riots are predicted within Trump's first 100 days. The elite have mastered the art of divide and conquer. It seems to work every time. And that is the work, my friends, of Kurt Nimmo of anotherdayintheempire.com.